If I had a rival who was on the free throw line, I don't think I'd be very mean. I don't think I would be a trash talk type of player. I would probably just say, boo, which is not trash talking. Hi Wayfair, welcome inside my home. I'm Malika Andrews, and I love my sofa. One of my favorite things about my sofa is that, I don't think you'd actually believe this, it's kind of a secret, but this is one couch. So you can have it in an L shape like we've done before, or you can have it like we have now where it's a love seat, it's a sofa, but it's also a chair that's in the corner so you can swivel around and make sure you watch sports and basketball and all the things like we do. And then one of the other things that I really love about it is I'm not a big white furniture person, but I love that it's sort of a neutral that can fade to the background so that whenever we go on a different trip or we add something to the room, the color can sort of pop and the room shifts and changes in different ways, but the sofa sort of remains the constant, and that's something that's always been important to me. Sometimes my friends will say, oh, did you get a new couch? And that's my secret. I think my home style, I still like the pops of color and to sort of bring that in. I don't mind living in a museum, but things have to be functional and fashionable, so that's what's so great about something like this. At point guard, we're gonna do the coffee table. At shooting guard, I think we're going with bedside tables because you need to be able to be versatile if you need to, pop out to the three-point line and all of a sudden you're doubling as an end table. I think that's really important. The center has to be sort of a big, sturdy anchor. So I think that would probably be, that's your washer dryer. It's sturdy, it's there, it's reliable. If we move forward, that's going to be dining room chairs. And we'll finish it out starting 5. This is just kind of frivolous and I like it, but I love a charger. I love to set tables and have a charger. That's a lot of different, that was some range that we went through there. I don't know what we're winning, but something. I love a bowl of ice cream and probably a documentary. I love some true crime, which is, sometimes I can't sleep after that, but I love that. We don't talk about the fact that I can't make it through a whole movie. Thanks so much for hanging on my sofa with me.